Welcome back to my channel, Doctor's Storyboard, and I am your own doctor, Dr. Saroj Sahi, and I am presenting DHA GP Notes, the extracted version of Master the Board, and I hope you are liking it. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe so that you will get benefited for the preparation of DHA GP exam. So let's begin our notes continuously as earlier. Continue with lesson 10. Most accurate test of PID, that is pelvic inflammatory disease, is laparoscopy, and treatment of PID is in outpatient department we give ceftriaxone plus doxycycline, possibly with metronidazole, and in inpatient department cefoxitin or cefotetan combined with doxycycline. If patient allergic to penicillin, then we can give levofloxacin, gentamicin and doxycycline. Please note that in exam those are not normally asked, but you have to keep in mind that since you are practicing as a general practitioner in your home country, better to remember. All ulcerative genital disease can have inguinal adenopathy. Presentation of STD, painful ulcer, syphilis, painless ulcer, chanthroid caused by Haemophilus ducreyi, lymph node tenderness, lymphogranuloma, and in lymphogranuloma venereum there is lymph node tenderness and suppurating. Vesicles prior to ulcer and painful, that is herpes simplex. The diagnostic test for syphilis, dark field microscopy, VDRL or RPR, FTA or MHA, TP, that is confirmatory, and single dose penicillin is the treatment. In case of chanthroid, stain and culture of specified media, treatment is azithromycin, and diagnostic test of lymphogranuloma is complement fixation, titer in blood, and treatment is doxycycline. And in case of herpes simplex, PCR is most accurate test, and treatment is acyclovir, valcyclovir, foscarnet for acyclovir resistant herpes. Primary syphilis, painless genital ulcer. Secondary syphilis, condyloma lata. This is the typical features. Tertiary syphilis, there is Ergile Robertson pupil, Tape's dorsalis, stroke from vasculitis, Gumaz, skin and bone lesion. So just remember this primary, secondary and tertiary syphilis. The clinical features associated with it may be coming with clinical cases, and you have to select the certain disease, that is whether it is primary syphilis, secondary syphilis or tertiary syphilis. The most sensitive test for neurosyphilis is FTA. Primary syphilis, intramuscular penicillin. If resistant, then we can give doxycycline oral. Secondary syphilis, penicillin once a week for 3 weeks. Tertiary syphilis, intravenous penicillin. Jarix Herxheimer reaction seen in syphilis, that is fever and worse symptom after treatment, give aspirin and antipyretic. Condyloma acuminata is removed by cryosurgery with liquid nitrogen or melting with podophyllene. Imiquinone is used for keratosis or basal cell carcinoma. Pediculosis treatment, permethrin. Scabies treatment, permethrin, that is 5%, and widespread lesion treated with ivermectin. Just remember benzyl benzoate is also used in scabies. Pentosan relieves bladder pain. Treatment of UTI, nitrofurantoin, TMP SMX, trimethoprim, sulfamethoxazole, ciprofloxacin, cefixime. Pentosan also used for intestinal interstitial cystitis. Pyelonephritis present with flank or costovertebral angle tenderness. High fever occasionally with abdominal pain or inflamed kidney. Treatment is ceftriaxone first choice, ampicillin or gentamicin, ciprofloxacin. Acute prostatitis presents with perineal pain, tender prostate on examination, and treatment is same like pyelonephritis. Perinephric abscess requires drainage of the fluid collection. Diagnostic test of endocarditis, blood culture, transthoracic echocardiogram, transesophageal echocardiogram. Fever plus murmur is indication of endocarditis. Most common organism for endocarditis is Staph aureus and commonly in IV drug users. Please remember that. So, how to diagnose culture negative endocarditis? Coxiella and Bartonella, most common agent. Fever is greater than 100.3 degree Celsius. IV injection drug users or prosthetic valve, signs of embolic pneumonia, embolic phenomenon. Treatment is vancomycin, gentamicin. Treatment of endocarditis, Viridans streptococci, ceftriaxone 4 weeks and Staph aureus oxacillin for 6 weeks. If it is fungal, then amphotericin and valve replace. If it is Staph epidermidis, then vancomycin or daptomycin for 6 weeks. If it is enterococci, then ampicillin and gentamicin. Surgery indication in endocarditis, CHF from ruptured valve or chordae tendineae. Fungal endocarditis, abscess, AB block, recurrent emboli with antibiotics. These all are the indication of surgery in case of endocarditis. Lyme disease causative agent, Borrelia burgdorferi, transmitted by deer tick, present with rash, round red lesion with a pale area in center, that is annular lesion. Neurological manifestation, 7th cranial nerve or Bell's palsy is the most common neurological manifestation. Diagnostic test, treatment of Lyme disease. If there is rash, then give doxycycline, amoxicillin or cefuroxime. If there is joint pain plus cranial nerve involvement, then doxycycline, amoxicillin or cefuroxime. If there is cardiac and neurological manifestation, give intravenous ceftriaxone. HIV/AIDS, when CD4 cells drop below 50 per microliter. Viral load testing is useful in detecting HIV in babies. So, viral load testing, just remember in case of babies. Adverse effect of HIV medications, zidovudine, anemia, stavudine and didanosine, peripheral neuropathy and pancreatitis. Abacavir, hypersensitivity, Stevens-Johnson's reaction. Protease inhibitors, hyperlipidemia, hyperglycemia. Indinavir, nephrolithiasis. Tenofovir, disoproxil, renal insufficiency, bone demineralization. Thank you. This is an end to today's lecture. The DHA GP notes, extracted version of Master of the Board. I hope you liked it very much, and please wait for few more lectures which are yet to come, and I will be presenting you those lectures in few days. Thank you so much.